What's up, everybody? It's your man, the Trucking Trader, and today I want to show you guys something that I was just watching. So I was currently watching Tanja Trades. I think her name may be Tanya. If I mispronounced it, excuse me. I do have much respect for this lady. I do believe that she's a really great trader. She is an ICT student and everything. So shout out to her. She have had much success. Recently, just crossed 100K subscribers as well. So I just wanted to give a quick shout out to her because I'm just going to critique her price action a little bit today because she took a really good trade today, and I just wanted to go over what she did, right? So if you guys can see right here, right? So what she did right here was she got in on this 1 minute fair value gap. So notice how she gets in right before, like right here, before it hits that order block, right? And the reason why I'm pointing that out is because she was in like around 100 points of profit. And notice how down here, right? She got like, just imagine that hitting like the midpoint, right? So price comes down and hit the midpoint of this wick right here, just about. And then literally, you guys, I just made a video on this yesterday, right? If you haven't checked that video out about reversals and retracements, please go watch that, right? Because the reason why I'm doing a reaction on this right now is because this is the perfect example of knowing when the market is reversing on you and knowing when it's just retracing on you, right? So notice right here, when price come down here and sweep this liquidity, notice how it comes right up and take out that swing high right there. Now, for me, that's an instant reversal pattern. She is on a 1 minute time frame right now. Currently, she was up about 90 or 80 so points, and now she's only up about 40 points or something like that. So she's giving back a lot of profits just to hit her take profit, and there's nothing wrong with that, right? A lot of traders do this to build discipline and build patience. However, I'm not really much of a fan of this, right? I'm not trying to act like I'm a better trader than her or anything like that. I'm just simply trying to give this to you guys as a case study, right? You use, these live streamers. Sometimes it's good to go and watch them just to learn from them, right? Tanja, honestly, I haven't really learned much from her myself because I have studied so much ICT content myself. But she's a great trader, and I know she knows what she's doing. But the only thing that she did wrong today, in my opinion, was once you see this market structure shift, you should just at least get out the trade. And also, once price goes and start touching into that wick, at least start taking partials right in there, right? I don't know if she took partials in there or not, but because I had stopped watching her scream, I made my trade for the day, and I was just chilling out, working on another YouTube channel that I have brewing up right now, and I was noticing her saying that she's just gonna wait, right? She's gonna hold, and I was like, why? The price action is telling you to pretty much get out of this trade, right? Once you see that sweep of liquidity right there, and then you see this shift, you should be getting out, especially because price never came and hit the midpoint of this order block, right? If the midpoint of this order block was already hit, then yes, in my opinion, it's worth the wait for you to, wait to get a couple extra points down here. But because it didn't hit that midpoint, and as you guys can see down here, it is currently 11:10, right? So now, in my opinion, just from watching price action for so long, I know that if it's 11:10, the market is going to start seeking some of these highs right here, right? It's going to start treating those highs as liquidity. Remember, right? The market is always going to look to take out whoever is in profits. I keep trying to tell you guys that. I can't stress it enough. If you're in profits, always think the market could easily turn on me and take me out of profits, right? And spoiler alert, that's what it pretty much did to her. She did get stopped out for a break even. So, it's not really that big of a deal for her. However, right, if you're up 80, 90 points, remember, that's a big chunk, At least take some partials along the way, or just close out the full trade. But most importantly, listen to price action. If you get this sweep of liquidity followed by a quick market structure shift, just get out of that trade, take whatever you have left, and be done on the day, you guys. So I just wanted to, make this quick video, just critiquing some of her trades today. Like I said, Tanja, if you do watch this video, you are a great trader. I'm not here trying to act like I'm better than you or anything like that. I believe that this entire trade today was a great trade. So shout out to you, and I look forward to watching more of your content, and I may actually start doing this more often with live streamers. So appreciate you guys for watching. Drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel, and we'll be back with another video.